Ever wondered how teams migrate from JavaScript to TypeScript without rewriting everything at once? The secret lies in a single compiler option. The allowJs compiler option tells TypeScript to include and compile JavaScript files in your project. By default, it's set to false, meaning TypeScript ignores .ts files. When you enable allowJs in config.sen, your TypeScript files can import from JavaScript modules, and the compiler processes both file types together. This creates a unified build pipeline where JavaScript and TypeScript coexist seamlessly. This option shines during gradual migration. Instead of converting your entire codebase overnight, you can migrate file by file. Enable allowJs, and your existing JavaScript modules continue working while you rename files to .its and add types incrementally. Your imports don't break, your build keeps running, and you control the pace. It's the foundation of every successful JavaScript to TypeScript migration strategy. Here's the catch. allowJs doesn't type check your JavaScript files by itself. For that, you need to enable checkJs or add JS type annotations to your JavaScript code. With allowJs alone, TypeScript compiles your JavaScript but doesn't verify types within those files. It's compilation without validation, which is perfect for migration, but requires checkJs if you want full type safety across your codebase. Remember, allowJs is your bridge from JavaScript to TypeScript, enabling incremental migration without disruption. Master this option, and you'll migrate codebases with confidence. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.